LG is officially coming out with a battery-powered air purifier mask. You know, some people with the masks these days, they don't like the breathing feeling of you're not getting the fresh air in there. You're suffocating a little bit. Look, I can put up with myself, but I'll tell you what, Will, I only got to throw the mask on here and there. What if you're in the mask all day? Well, if you're a healthcare worker, now I don't know if this one's going to meet the criteria, but I'm just saying you're one of these people you have to wear it all day.
Yes.
All of a sudden, you're steaming and fogging, and it's just not the optimal scenario. You do it because you got to do it, but it's not the optimal. Okay, you throw this guy on with a battery inside and replaceable filters, and it's pumping the air in, and it's reading the exhale to push out, so you're not sitting there with the exhale, which is actually, that's the tough part. And maybe you got something that you're interested in. There's 2 fans in there. Easier to breathe. The Puricare wearable air filter. And they pulled some of the technology from what they've done with the air purifiers for the home. Now, they don't say much about your usual 3M, what's the rate, N95, this or that. They don't say much about that. But the fact of the matter is, this has removable filters. You could put a fresh one in there. And a lot of people in the world right now are just using the reusable masks anyways. Well, that's just cotton or whatever it is. So the real thing seems to be the mask in general. In this one, you add some tech to it. Now, the other thing I was worried about was, what about battery life? Because are you charging this thing every 5 seconds? If you are one of these people who has to wear it every day, it has an 820 milliamp hour battery, which would provide up to 8 hours of use. So don't you worry about that.
Okay.
Because I know you were worried. So what do you say, Will? Is the world ready for the tech mask with the actual battery in it to make your life easier? We're ready for it.
Absolutely, yeah.
And you're going to be first on the list.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Very, very good.